SRI 1.4 petrol turbo, 148 horsepower, and it's only covered 23,916 miles. As you can see, the car is Cat-N registered due to the front end damage, but still runs and drives. Having a look around the rest of the car, it's in great condition, but we will be stripping down the whole front end and we'll be replacing all the parts as required. Looking in the inside, both